welcome back to Groovy Vibes Farm. Hope y'all can hear me okay. I got a pretty good amount of wind going on today, so I put on my Bluetooth microphone. So we're going to be tearing into the chicken coop. We're getting chickens this weekend, so we're super excited. Found a really good deal. We got a couple ducks, a couple roosters, a few laying hens, and then I think about 23 other small hens that should be laying in about 3 or 4 weeks. So yeah, we got our work cut out for us. This will be our first time with chickens actually, so it's going to be kind of learning as we go, but I think that's part of the fun of it. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. So I started cleaning out the coop yesterday and realized we had some termite damage and some water damage here along the doors. So I'm going to give you a little look at that. Then I'm going to get to tearing it apart, and then I'm going to go get some supplies, and yeah, we're going to get it all buttoned up and get it painted here soon. And then we'll have our own little supply of eggs, and we're going to be selling eggs as well. So it's going to be our first kind of cash flow on the farm. So we're definitely excited for that as well. So let's get into the coop. So here's a quick look at the coop that we have. This was here when we bought the house, so we were pretty excited about that. It's gonna save us a lot of work. So it's got pretty nice gates on it, wire all the way around. It's got a netting roof. Just the same poly netting type that we've got around the garden. Got our little roost here. It is divided down the middle, which I'm not 100% sure why they had done that. Maybe the split roosters. Here's the entry to the little lane section here. So as you can see there, we got the water damage. That's where the laying boxes will be, right along that wall. That tear out a lot of those boards already. Take you around here to the other side. So this here is where we'll come out in the morning and we can get the eggs. So the boxes are about 1 square foot. There'll be one there, there, all the way down. 6 boxes. Then they've got a little extra area up here to move around. And then got a little section up there to hang out as well. Here's a look at what I'll be working on. That is completely come apart. And then down here, the main support, it's all completely rotted out. So wasn't designed quite as well as it could have been. There's no overhang on this roof, so that's allowing water to get down behind that trim through the door and rot out the wood. So I'm going to extend that roof a little bit. We've got some extra metal roofing laying around. Gonna get that all refaced, new plywood across the whole face, reframe out the doors. Might do some work on the doors. They're a little wonky, but they're not bad. I might just beef them up and put some paint on them. Here's the other side there. It's fairly large. I haven't measured it yet, but yeah, I don't know. I'm guessing maybe 20 by 20 at least. We'll see. I'll get it measured here in a few. Let's get to work. Well, the damage here is pretty thorough. Could be worse though. Here you can see part of the problem. Got some termites going on. So that's not good. I mean, this is just completely toasted. Here it looks like we got termites and ants. I see a couple fights in there. Interesting. They can't decide who wants to eat the coop. Well, I'm gonna get some measurements and try to make it to the store before they close, so I'll get back with you whenever I got some supplies and get to work here.